In this video, we are collecting from my hotel combo machine. Stay tuned to the end. This is a great collection, guys. Like and subscribe. Enjoy. Here we are at the hotel, doing the collection on our USI combo machine, 21 selection machine, and it needs chips. Well, we'll get that taken care of. Get some sour cream chips in there, get some cheddar chips in there, get it all stocked up. If you like vending related content, check out Galaxy Games 843, Quik Play, Xtreme Vending, and the Howard Hospitality Group. All great channels for vending related content. I did get everything put into my VendSoft application. Just can't show VendSoft and be recording at the same time. Makes it kind of hard. Just realizing that Sam's Club sold me some honey buns that expired a little too soon than I would like, so I'm putting them up in the front. Then we'll go ahead and get the PopTarts restocked. Yeah, for some reason they sold a box that was like a week and a half from expiration. So I put all those in there first, and I'm gonna go ahead and get them sold first, because they sell pretty quick out of this machine. Up next we got Pop-Tarts. Looks like blueberry is going in this time. Gonna get some more Three Musketeers and some more Snickers in there. Yep, get a decent amount in there. Get that shelf back in there. Nothing needed there. I think I'm gonna put some more pistachios in there. I think. Yep, there they are. On to the soda. Yep, Mountain Dew and Dr. Pepper bowls need some restocking. Getting that all loaded up. Onto the Dr. Pepper. This thing's gonna get filled all the way up. Go through a lot of soda on this machine. How's your business going? Leave your comments in the... Sorry. leave your information in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them anytime. That's all full. Coke's gonna get a restock. I forgot to bring Gatorade. Didn't help that Sam's Club was out of the flavors I get, so I have to wait till next week. Luckily, there's enough in this machine to make me through another week. But at my current price, I sell them for $2.25 a piece for the Gatorade. On to everyone's favorite part, the collection. We're gonna go ahead and get this side open back up again. It's got a decent amount of change in there for once. Really heavy pile. Total collected this week for cash and credit cards is $190.50 for 1 week. Really good collection. For other vending related content, like and subscribe. Check out all the other channels. Have a great day, everyone.